What's up? What's up? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got another new toy. I love new toys. I love them. I love them. And this time, I think my wife is actually gonna be excited about this one because it's actually what she likes. I gotta show it to you. It's actually pretty cool. Watch this. Okay, so let's just understand. This is not my normal deal. Okay. I have bigger trucks, bigger cars. I like that kind of stuff. I really, really do. But this time I kind of veered off to the left, I guess you could say a little bit. This time I went with the small scale Axial. Look at that. It's the Jeep Wrangler. She loves Jeeps, y'all. She loves Jeeps. So I'm hoping that when she finds out I bought it, she'll be excited. That's right, I said when she finds out I bought it, hopefully she'll be excited. If not, then I'll be doing a video on how I was able to return Axial RCG. But anyway, she'll like it. But yeah, this is actually really cool. This is not my normal deal. This is what they call a crawler. A rock crawler. You've heard of these things, right? A rock crawler is something that they drive real slow, climbing big rocks and all that kind of stuff. Well, this is just a miniaturized version of that. So it's not super fast, super high speed like my other stuff back there. That stuff you're trying to go as fast as you possibly can. This one, I think the goal is to go as slow as you possibly can. If I got that wrong, guys, to the crawler community, help me explain it better. But to my knowledge, the key to this is to go as slow as you possibly can because you're just climbing stuff. That's all you're doing is climbing stuff. I have never owned one of these before. So I'm looking forward to getting into it, digging into the box. Let's see what's in here. I haven't even opened it yet, y'all. Let's get into it. Let's see what we can find. This is really gonna be cool. All right, so as we get ready to dig into this, understand we have a mess here, okay? I was out running this truck yesterday, actually. Well, not out, I'm still kind of sick. But I was running through the window in the kitchen. And something happened. The steering went out on it. So the new steering component came in today. I've already got it torn apart. So I just haven't put it in yet. It's actually the old one. Where's the new one at? Oh. New one's in the package, yeah. So I got the new one. Just gotta put it in. So that's here temporarily. But I think we got enough space to be able to get into the Axial. So let's see what we have here. I love these new toys. Whole thing just pull out. Oh. Okay, just Jeep comes up by itself. Okay, cool. That is really cool, y'all. Look at that. That is really cool. Look at the scale on it, how detailed it is. I guess it helps if I cut it out of there, get off the box, but we'll get to it. Just look at the size of that thing in comparison to this one. And this isn't even a big truck. This was kind of big, but it's not the big one that we have. Compared to the big one, this little truck will really get swallowed. But there's the truck. Of course, we got the manual. They actually give you batteries too. AA batteries that go in the remote control. So you got some spare parts, some stickers. It's not complete unless they give you stickers. I'm just saying. So they give you that, and what's in here? Oh, that's just an empty box. Okay, this must be the charger to it. Okay, so it comes with a charger. And comes with a radio. Why does it look like my radio was halfway out the plastic? Did somebody buy and return this? It wasn't fully in the plastic. I'm starting to think something's up here, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna keep going. Just saying. So, box is done. So, this is pretty cool. Like I said, I haven't opened it, y'all. So this is brand new to me. I haven't dug into it or anything. Let me see if I can just cut the bottom off. Cut the wrong one. Let's try this. Oh, there it is, y'all. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Too much trash. And there it is. This is what they call 1/24th scale. This is pretty small. It's not tiny, but it's pretty small. Like I say, in comparison to this truck, it really fits under the bumper. Like, it's not even as big as one of the wheels. My goodness, it's not even that big. But it is really, really cool looking so far. Oh, I love the squishy wheels too. Look at that, squishy, 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 squishy. I love that. So I would imagine the softer the wheels, the more grippier, how you want to say it, grippy or grippier? The more they'll grip as you're driving over things. That's pretty cool. Like I said, I've never had a crawler before, so I'm learning this. And I'm looking forward to running it for you all once we get it up and running. Let the body pin out. Oh, that's cool. So the body just flips up. It just stays there. I assume you can take it completely off. I'm not doing that right now, but maybe you just squeeze the back out and take it off. I'm not really sure. But I do know this is the battery. Okay, let's see. It's Velcroed in here, so let's unstrap that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, now we got it out, this is the battery. I don't have another battery out. I was gonna show you a size comparison of this battery versus the other one, but that's fine. So I pull that out, there's a receiver in there. It's got LED lights on it too. Does it have rear lights? No, I don't see rear lights on it. Okay, but I think from what I've seen, I think you can add a bunch of LEDs around this thing, put a light bar on top of it. It's a lot of cool little things you can do with this that over time I plan on doing with it, but not right now. Like I said, I'm brand new to this crawling aspect of RC, but I think this could be cool. So all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna charge the battery up. It might have a little charge on it, I'm not really sure. But once I get the battery charged up, then we'll be able to run a little bit. Let's see what kind of speeds it has, how fast it actually goes, because I have no idea. I literally have no idea. So I'm gonna plug it into the charger and I'm gonna let it charge for a little while. All right, well, looks like time is up. We have a green light already. So excited. Can you see the green light now? Now it's green, yes. So we'll go ahead and unplug this. And really, according to the manual, I had a chance to look it up while it was charging, of course. But the manual says a fully discharged battery takes about 45 minutes or so, maybe 60 minutes tops to charge up. It's a small battery, so that makes sense that it takes such little time to charge up. So we'll stick it back into the car and see what we can get into. All right, so now we'll close it up. Put that pin back in. We've already got batteries in the remote. And so unplug that charger. Got batteries in the remote already. The truck is ready to go. Oh, one more thing. Just as another size comparison. You see the size of it in my hand. This is the Kyosho USA 1. You can see the size of that. But just for the fun of it, let's see what this thing looks like next to an X-Max. Oh, okay. Hopefully that won't break anything. But that's the X-Max. And it's about the size of the tire of an X-Max. How cool is that? How cool is that? I think the X-Max would run over and didn't even know that it hit it. I'm pretty sure it would. So, yeah. It's so tiny. Let's turn it on, power button on the back of the radio. Got our red light. That's good stuff. Let's turn the truck on. Oh, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. We got LEDs. We're going to have to get something in the back because that's not going to work. We got to get something. But in due time, it's okay. So it'll be all right. It'll be okay. Let's see here. We got steering, y'all. Whoa, we got movement. It's definitely a crawler because there's not much speed at all. Definitely not much speed. Woo. And that's actually set to 100%, y'all. Whoa, what is 50% like? Let's cut it down to 50% speed. See if I can give you all a visual. That's on 50% on the radio now. That's 50. That's 75. This is 100. Whew. But we're burning rubber now, ain't we? No, we not. Not even close. But it's okay because it's designed for that. Remember, it's a crawler. Crawler means it crawls, right? It literally crawls. So that's cool. So let's get on the floor, and that way I can show you the 3 speeds as it's moving on the floor. Let's do that. Okay, y'all. So this is full throttle on 50%. Full throttle. Woohoo! Look at that. We burning rubber, buddy. You see that? Woohoo! Let's do that again. We do that one more time. Go by so fast, you better not blink, you'll miss it. 50%, here we go. Ooh, you see that? You see that? That thing is fast, boy. Okay, so we're gonna turn it up to 75%. 50% was lightning fast. Let's see how fast 75 is. You ready for this? Don't blink. Ooh, you hear that? I think I heard a turbo kick in. Let's try that again. Ooh. Ooh, 75 is amazing. You see that? One more time. I know you blinked. You missed it. Let's try it again. Ooh, that's full throttle, buddy. Ooh. Okay, now switch the throttle switch. Throttle switch over to 100%. This is gonna be amazing. Watch this. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you hear that? That thing got a Hemi. Oh, you hear that? That thing got a Hemi. Oh, zoom. Oh, that was so fast. Let's do it again. You see that? That's amazing. You see that? You see that? You see that? Lightning fast. Lightning. Zoom. Woohoo. Yeah, buddy. Let's look at the torque. Let's see if we can push the X Max. Let's push it. Whoa. Maybe we gotta drop down to 50%. Let's try that. Nope. All right, so final thoughts. What do I think? I like it. I really do like it, y'all. I really do. You don't buy these to go fast. That was just some exaggeration going on. That's not the purpose of buying these things. Again, they are crawlers. If you've ever seen crawlers in real life, they move extremely slow because they're designed to just simply climb over stuff, like obstacles or some things like that. I actually like this. It's about the size of a 1/18 scale die-cast model car, just to put that in perspective. That's about the size that it is. So, final thoughts, it's really cool. It's really cool. So, I'm going to look forward to running it a little more and maybe do a few little tiny obstacle things. The best stuff that I can come up with, run on an extension cord, some boxes, some little things I can run it over. But Other than that, I like it. It's got some nice shocks on it. I think these shocks are actually oil filled, if I'm not mistaken. I actually think they sure feel oil filled. Oh yeah, those feel really nice. Ooh, yes, that's a nice touch. So Axial did a really good job on this one. Again, I really like that body a lot. I think my wife is gonna like that body too. She loves Jeeps. She really does. So, but other than that, if you have any questions or comments, I'll be glad to answer them for you. Just leave a comment in the comment box. Yeah, do that. Anything you want to know? Anything you want me to do with it? That would be really, really cool. If you can think of some cool stuff, let me know. Other than shine light in my face, just let me know, and I may consider doing it. Again, this is really, really cool. Yeah, I like this little thing. We'll see what we can do. But thank you all so much for watching it. It's just a little quick, brief unboxing slash run it type video. But we'll do some more videos. We'll run it a lot more. I'm looking forward to doing some more videos with it. So we'll see how that works out. But thanks again for watching. If you wanna hear my voice again, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.